So over here you can see that I have this video clip right here, and that is the only video clip in the timeline. And in Clipchamp, what you can do is you can work around with multi-layered video, meaning you can go around and bring in another video or any other media like image or let's say graphics and place it on top of that video right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around and click fit right here and resize it out right here so that I just cover up this area and then resize it out again. So you can see that this is the clip right here, and if I were to go around and click, you can go around and resize out the video over here on the top. And if I were to go around on the center and click my timeline cursor, you can see that this is the video right here. So you can go around onto the beginning and press play, and now you can see two of the videos play at the same time. And this is how layering works. So whatever video is on the top right here is what you see. You can also go around, drag this video clip on the top, and then you can see that now this video is on the top and that is at the bottom. But let me just go ahead and undo that out right here so that I get this video on the top right here. If I were to go around and click right here, I click on this clip, then you can see that I get option for this clip right here. And you see that picture in picture is an option. And if you were to go around and click right here, you can click on top left so that it aligns itself out onto the top left. You can go around, align it to the top right, bottom left, and bottom right according to how you want as well. And then press the play button and you can see that the video clip just goes around and plays on that section right there. And that is how you can go around and work around with picture in picture and element resize option inside of Clipchamp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe